Hey, it's Ashley with Plentiful Picnic and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make this pink sushi. I will be dyeing the rice using this beet juice. Whenever you cook beets by boiling them, make sure to save the liquid. It's a really good and sweet drink, and it's also great for dyeing foods pink. If you want more healthy and plant-based recipes, definitely hit that subscribe button down below, and let's get on to this video. For this recipe, you'll need sushi rice, water, salt, and rice vinegar. Stir to combine. Cook on high for 4 minutes in the Instant Pot. Add some beet juice and mix it up. I like to not mix it up perfectly, just so that there's some variety of shades of pink. Then I'm adding some more beet juice on one side for a darker hue. Thinly slice some carrots. Some cabbage. Cucumbers, and squash. Next, lay out a piece of plastic over the sushi mat, place down a sheet of nori, spread out spoonfuls of rice onto the nori and press down. To make ombre sushi, place the darker pink rice on one side and a lighter pink on the other side. Leave a strip of nori at the end without any rice so that it could roll up flat. Then add the chopped veggies close together towards one end of the nori sheet. I'm also adding some avocado and then a little more rice. To roll up the sushi, start at the end of nori that has more veggies. Roll tightly while pressing down. Continue to roll the sushi using the end of the bamboo sushi mat. Use a very sharp knife to slice the pieces of sushi using a sawing motion. Now your sushi is ready to enjoy with a dip of soy sauce or coconut aminos. I'm going to try something new. Instead of soy sauce, I'm going to try some of the more beet juice. This beet juice is pretty good, but the organic coconut aminos from Trader Joe's is still the best thing to pair with these sushi. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below so you don't miss my next video. I post a new video each week, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye!